Now that we've uploaded our video, I'm going to go through some of the basic tools you can use. Like I said in my directions, you can get more into it if you'd like, but right now I'm just going to get into some basic tools. So under basic right here, we're going to go ahead and resize it. So if you click on the basic and then you use the resize tab, it gives you some options here. So let's make it a little bit bigger. Then you can hit apply, and then you have your picture bigger. If you want to undo your previous thing, you just simply hit undo, and it'll bring it back, and then back, forward, undo, forward, if you want to rechange something. We can also rotate it. Just click rotate. You can rotate it, apply. I don't want it sideways, so I'll go ahead and redo that and go from there. The next feature I would like to discuss is adding text. So if you go down to the fourth tool here, the text tool, you click on text, and it offers you a bunch of different fonts, just like Microsoft Word or whatever. So I just click on one here, Ultra, add text, and it's going to bring up a text box for you. You can type whatever you want, so goals, and then you can change the color, change the size, all that stuff here. So let's make it yellow, and then I can move it to where I want it placed. And there, we've added text. A lot of teachers will use text in pictures for educational purposes, saying, what do you see in this picture, or do you notice any differences between this side and that side? That's a lot of the ways that I like to use it in my classroom. It's very basic, very simple, but instead of having two different documents open, one with text and one picture, you can go ahead and combine those two formats. Adding different shapes is also an easy step. You just go down here to this butterfly, and it'll give you a bunch of different options here. You can hearts, geometric, stars. So I click on the stars here. You can drag it right over. Put a star up here. Put a star right here. And just like the text, you can change the color, you can change the size, whatever you would like to do. Very simple, adding other different symbols to it. Just like text, it can be changed, it can be made bigger, different colors. Also, you can add it to maybe symbolize something or focus on a point. If you would like to add an arrow or star, a certain thing for your students to focus on, that's a way that I've used it in my classroom in years past. To get into the more advanced features that'll change the entire complexion of the picture, you can come down here, click on textures, and then it has a bunch of different options here. So let's go with burst. You can change a different color here. Apply. You can change the fade and all that basic stuff. Apply. And then bam, you have your updated picture with a bunch of different, you have text, you have features, and you've also changed some of the background of it as well.